My name is Dr. Jane Black. I'm a senior lecturer in sport and exercise physiology at the University of Suffolk. So I've always been interested in sport, and I have played various sports, I've coached various sports, and even qualified as a referee in a couple of different sports. My academic background has always been in sports science, so I've done an undergraduate degree in sports science, a master's degree in human performance, and then a PhD in cardiovascular physiology, so specifically trying to understand how resistance exercise or strength-based exercise can improve the structure and the function of the cardiovascular system. So exercise prescription is all about trying to use exercise to promote health and prevent disease and prolong life, essentially. So we know that there are lots of benefits of exercise, and exercise prescription is all about trying to harness those benefits to promote a more successful outcome for the individual. The exercise prescription and public health degree here at the University of Suffolk is really unique because it gives you as a student a chance to explore exercise prescription in its fullest sense. So the idea of how we can use exercise to really promote the health benefits and to really understand the physiology and the biomechanics and the psychology of why exercise is so good for us. So it gives you a chance to learn how to work with patients and how to design exercise programs to achieve those benefits with individuals who have different clinical conditions. And those conditions can range from diabetes to cardiovascular disease. It may just be working with somebody who's sedentary or a specialist population such as pregnant women, for example. But more than that, the exercise prescription and public health degree allows you not only to have the knowledge and the confidence to work with those individuals on a day-to-day basis, but it gives you an understanding of public health in a broader sense and the policies and the practices that govern some of the interventions and the programs that help us to try and create more active lifestyles for people. And so having an understanding of those policies and those programs and the reasons behind their design hopefully will enable you to have the skills to change and to shape policies in the future and to really drive to make our communities more physically active and then to be able to reap the benefits of a more active society. I love teaching because it gives me a chance to get to meet so many different people, and actually there are two kind of real reasons that I love teaching. One of those is that light bulb moment where you're working with a student and you see them grasp a concept, and you physically sometimes you see that light bulb moment, and that is an amazing feeling to know that you've done something to enable that student to understand that concept and to be able to use and apply that concept. And I think the other reason I like teaching so much is that you can get to know the students, and one of the benefits of working at the University of Suffolk is that we're a small institution, and so you can really get to know each and every student and you know what their dreams and their aspirations are, and being able to help those individuals achieve their dreams and their aspirations, whatever they may be, just is so satisfying. And then the kind of the real icing on the cake, if you like, is to be able to invite those students back when they're doing the job that they've worked so hard and trained so long to pursue and to do. And you can invite those students back and they can share their experiences with the next generation of students. And that for me is such an amazing moment.